This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Robert Quinlan. A 2-bedroom, 2-bath home with a dining room, 1-car garage and large screen lanai. The garage has a large laundry area with washer and dryer and a large workshop adjacent. The large fenced backyard for approved pets and children. Located near shopping, medical facilities, and many restaurants. Shown by appointment only. Currently undergoing repairs and painting inside. For more information, review the details below.